In this video, we will be going through the new features of Now Book It's new floor plan. Firstly, you can see upcoming bookings at a glance with this simple bird's-eye view of what's coming up in your venue, whether it's confirmed seats or empty tables to be filled. If you are using Now Book It on a tablet device, you can simply pinch to zoom on the new floor plan as desired. If you're on a desktop, scroll here to adjust your view. If you need to make a quick change to a reservation, you can easily drag and drop the bookings between slots, in schedule view, and between tables, in status view, or from the overview list on the left. You can also do this for waitlist bookings or allocate a waitlist booking per the usual process. Blockouts can be created and managed from the floor plan view. To create a blockout, navigate to the three dots on the bottom right corner and create a blockout by table or by section. The functionality of blockouts remains the same when they are created in the floor plan view as they do in your diary. We hope the new floor plan helped make managing your reservations easier with Now Book It.